Good morning and welcome to Morning Conversations with me, Mika. And today, I'm just so grateful na nakapag-stick ako sa aking routine kahit papano. So I woke up early today, I meditated, I watered my plants, I read the Bible, and nagnap ako or sleep ulit. Then I journaled and medyo mahaba yung journal ko this morning cause grateful ako dahil kahit papano nakakabalik na ako sa aking routine. And grabe, sinuportahan pa tayo ng dietmeals.ph sa ating pagbabalik alindog. So, nag-send sila ng food. And I think it will run for a month. So, I'm really grateful for that kasi hindi ko naisipin my diet. Although, I fix naman my relationship with food. Iba pa rin kasi pag naka-diet ka talaga. So, nilagay ko dito na taking care of my plants gave me a different feeling this morning. Very calm and grounded. Parang bumalik na ako sa dati kong routine na kinakausap ko sila, ganyan. Kasi napapansin ko na parang namamatay sila. So talagang inalagaan ko sila. Nag-take ako ng time to really shower them with love and water. Nilagay ko din dito na the future is really uncertain. And I just want to make sure that I keep showing up for myself and for my family. As nilista ko dito, the things that I'm grateful for and the things that I want to surrender to God. Kasi, isipin mo, sobrang laki ng universe, pero naisip pa rin niyang gawin tayo as humans. And the only thing that we can do in this world is to really trust in Him and be hopeful of our future. Kasi siya lang naman talaga nakakaalam, di ba? Siya lang nakakaalam ng plano niya sa atin. Kaya, ang kailangan lang natin gawin ay to worship Him, to continue telling people about His Word and His faithfulness. Kasi grabe, pag naiisip ko talaga, hindi talaga ako pinabayaan ni Lord. And for sure, ikaw din, hindi ka pinabayaan ni Lord. And sabi ko din sa friend ko na, grabe, I will never shut up how good God is. Kasi grabe talaga love niya. And at the end of the day, yung love niya lang talaga yung kailangan natin. As in, ay, ano pa ba? Nilagay ko dito yung devotion ko na trust in our creative, compassionate, and loving God. Sa Kanya lang talaga ako hugot ng lakas at pag-asa everyday. Alam ko na hindi niya kami papabayaan. And thank you na agad sa lahat ng blessings, sa lahat ng clients, at sa lahat ng opportunities na magsusustain sa amin in the coming days, in the coming weeks. As long as we show up and as long as we recognize and worship God, I know that I am okay. I know that we'll be okay. Sinabi ko din dito na thank you sa wisdom and strength na na-build ko over the past year and binibuild pa. So, I also set my intention for today, which is to rest up para makasama ko sa mga ganap this week ng aking family. And nilagay ko din dito na yung aking mga gagawin sa work. So, I think for today, I just want to share na mahal ka ni Lord, as in. Kasi, isipin mo, sa dami ng magagandang ginawa niya in this world, like the universe, the sky, the sunset, 'di ba? Yan yung madalas nating na-appreciate. I hope you also take time to appreciate yourself because you are also a child of God. And ikaw ang pinakamagandang ginawa niya kasi ikaw yung parang siya, 'di ba? We are like God, we are like Him. And we are a child of God. So, I just want to continue living like Him, living like a child of God. Gusto ko lang ay maging mabuting tao and to take care of all the blessings na binibigay niya sa akin everyday. Ayun lang. I'll keep this short kasi I really want to rest up. Nafe-feel ko na bumabalik na yung aking mga masasamang pakiramdam. Dahil maaga ko naligo today. Ayun lang, bye!